today I'm gonna do like a little bit of reorganizing and relocating all of my items, and I'm gonna change the mannequins you guys see up front, the window, these mannequins, and everything. So I'm gonna change a lot of things, and I'm just wanna to you know, put out the new outfits, kind of like old school holiday. Hi, come on in. So let's change this one, these three first on that table, and then we can go do the windows. That needs to be changed. The windows. Let me show you guys. This is what I have, like that hot pink, both of them. And this is what I have in this side. I don't know why this thing shows so dark, but yeah, I have these two I need to change, and everything else in my store I have to just like reorganize and kind of like redo the whole store. Let's see how much I'm gonna get it done, and let's hope I can get. As you can see, I kind of tried to do all the mannequin at first, and I changed the black one, and I got a customer, and I was like, let me do the video first and then I'll change all of them again. So that's why there was only one black one was changed. So as you can see in here, I put that one first. I was like, I'm gonna do it in there. Okay, so I changed those three, and this used to be the pink dress at the window. I changed that one as well. I put the red one in here so I can able to have more colors up window. And I'm still thinking about this one, what to do with this one. I'm trying to do something fun as well as something upbeat and holiday as well. So I have the black pants and a bow on this one, but I need to change it. So let's see what I'm gonna come up with. As you can see in here that I changed my mind. I was like, you know what, let me put the skirt in the window because it's more like a holiday first, and also the whole outfit can actually be used if you're going to church, family dinner, anything like that. It's festive, it's appropriate, depends on what you wear underneath. So I got so much done. I changed this mannequin to the front. I'm gonna change the purses because I want more like a neutral colors. I kind of have this mannequin right here, and I put the black lower outfits right here, and the purses I can move the white one and do something else with that. And these are the three mannequin up front, and then the pearl, the red, and the black. I'm just gonna change everything from here. I change a little bit of front to get rid of this mannequin. So I got this one as well, ready to go. The front is all done. Needs to change this table, put like accessories, purses, kind of like things that will go with these outfits. So gonna go get some coffee. I'm tired, I don't know why. Just a little bit exhausted. And then I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna clean up this table, steam so many clothes, and get everything else all organized and clean. So let's see. I have a pile of clothes right here on this table, a chair actually. You cannot even see the chair. You just have to clean up all of that, but first I have to go get some coffee. just not feeling awake. So I'll see you guys. As you can see in here, I'm just moving some of the clothes up front, kind of bring in all the holidays up front, and changing the rags, trying to move around things. And in this one, I'm just taking little by little, section by section. I'm putting everything in one rack. It's like a mass rack, transferring in there until I find a home for them, until I find like a good area for them. And I'm just mixing up the greens and the black in here, and then I did like a light green with whites on the top. So you know, something fun, something a lot of people in this location have been keep coming and telling me that I have really unique colors at my store. So that's why I wanted to do more like colors out up front, so they can able to see and come in and see what they like. I'm changing some mannequins. As you can, I'm still working on this. This one is done. This area is done. It's nice, it's cute. I like the colors. I just have to do something with this area. I just put everything in here while I was like, I'm working with everything. So I push everything backwards, and I gotta clean this mess, you know, like try to clear this a little bit. I still have this to do, so it's a lot. It's just like between my customers and doing things for the store, kind of like doing both at the same time. So that's why I did this one. I'm really happy with the result. I like the coloring and everything. So let's continue. I was kind of doing this area as I was putting the clothes and putting the colors. I just was thinking, no, that doesn't look good. It just looks so blah. So I brought all the blacks. I put them in there. I'm like, you know what? Let me think. As you can see, I'm like walking around and thinking. And then I was like, let me start this area, and then I'll go from there and see what I have, and I can able to mix up some colors. As you can see right here, I put the blues and the whites down there. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do the blues up there. But then I was like, I don't like it. Okay, so far so good. I'm happy with the result. I just did like the brown and whites in there. We did the neon, the yellows in there, kind of like a yellow neon green-ish. And this area, I kind of like the blue with cream, and then red with pink. I mean, pink with black. Ugh, tired. Between customers, I was just, you know, helping customers and doing that. And I'm just changing this one to my clearance rack, so I can able to put all my sale items. By the way, these are the best bodysuits ever. It's just like so soft. It's not clearance, it's just like the price is low. I just put them in here so people can able to get them easily, so they don't have to think that, oh, they are too much, or they kind of hides. But everything else, I barely have any left on them. And I have these cute tops, and they're at my online store as well as here, so you guys can able to access it as well. So I want to empty this area completely move the rack, and I want to do something in here for like a pictures. I want to make like a photo area so I can do my photo shoots, and you know, kind of like if a customer wears something and if it's like a nice outfit together, I could just take their pictures and post it as well. So I want to clean that up. Got my jackets in kind of like outerwears in here. Got my jeans, again, my casual. So I think I'm gonna get to this table and this one tomorrow. I need to get these two tomorrow, I believe. I cannot able to get it done today because it's 8 o'clock and I'm closing in like an hour.